Have you ever wondered if red light therapy could be the secret of a good night's sleep? Well, this device in my hand, called the Helight, is a device that I tested over the last 2 months to see if it might help me. And you're probably wondering, what exactly is the Helight? So the Helight is a small, compact device that helps produce natural melatonin, mimicking natural rays of the sun, designed to improve your sleep quality. The product is inspired by NASA, and it has science and technology behind it, and it's 100% safe and natural. And what's also fantastic about this device is they even offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now, before I dive in and tell you how it all works, the company did send me this device, and I look forward to giving you my unbiased opinion. They have not even seen my review prior to me posting this video. Let me share with you what is included. Obviously, you got this small little rechargeable device. You also have this little pouch for carrying it. You've got a Type-C cable. You also have a nice booklet of information, very nice glossy booklet, and the box that it comes in. So the way this works, and it's going to be a very different type of experience when you go to sleep. For me, I've been used to falling asleep with my sleep mask on. So the way this works is when you go to sleep, you put this on your end table, you press the button, and the light comes on. The light stays on for 28 minutes. The first 14 minutes are at its brightest, and then the second 14 minutes, it starts diminishing till eventually it turns off. Now, depending on the size room that you're in, you can adjust the brightness, and it has a low, medium, and high setting of brightness, and you can adjust. The way I was able to make this work is I not only turn this light on, I also use a great app, by the way, and I wanted to share that. So if you're looking to, not only for the red light therapy, but also for enhancing it even more so, I use a really fantastic app called Evolutioner, and I'll put a link to it. So I find myself within a couple minutes to get very tired very quickly, and it really helps me get a great night, deeper sleep, again, very quickly. I myself get up during the night to go to the bathroom, and it's just one of these things, but I find that it's been an easier time for me to fall back to sleep because of this device, and it really does help with the melatonin and feeling more tired when you're using it and falling asleep. Again, falling asleep very quickly. The big adjustment for me was I was so used to having complete darkness, putting on my sleep mask, which I'll also put a link to that mask that I use, which is fantastic. That was the part I was concerned about. So what I do during the night is when I do wake up after the light has been off, and I find myself maybe waking up a few hours later, I then would go back to sleep and put my mask on, because my light from my windows does bring some light in. And then I'm able to fall back to sleep. If you're somebody that struggles to fall back to sleep, you could turn this on and then try it again to see if it can help you fall asleep. So for me, it took about 3 weeks, and I was speaking with the company. I said, I don't think this is working for me. And they even mentioned something about 21 days on the website, but I did find shortly after that where this really had an effect on me. There are some people that will find that this is going to work very quickly, and there's others that might take it a little bit longer to get used to. So be aware, it might take some time, but for me, I love this product. It's a little pricey, but I think if you are facing that challenge of falling asleep or waking up during the night because you are dealing with insomnia, I highly recommend to try this. Plus, I'm gonna, again, share this other app that I use, which helps in a great sleep mask. So let me know if you have any questions, but I definitely would give this a thumbs up. It worked for me. It's worth it. Take advantage of the 60-day night money-back guarantee and see if it works for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this device works for you as it has for me. Thanks for joining me. Have a healthy day.